What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Mr. Hoods. So here I am, at the lake this morning. Check it out. I'm gonna cast a line for a little bit and then head off to work. But you know what? That's day 15. No smoking cigarettes. You know, I was kind of fiending this morning, but I was like, dude, I'm gonna go to the lake, toss my line, and not think about smoking. So I'm here doing that. And to get to the point, you know, the biggest and baddest motherfuckers on the planet, right? Is every human being. All of us. We are the biggest and baddest motherfuckers on the planet. Why? We created automobiles, airplanes, spaceships, boats, fishing poles, cars. Wait, I said automobiles. And everything else you could think of. And then, in terms of being a dominant species, yeah, we kill everything, bugs, animals to eat them. Like we're pretty dominant. I'm not gonna go any further than that, but you know, I just want to let all y'all out there know that you are a bad motherfucker. You bad. Like whatever you're doing out there today, go and crush it. You know, if you stink right now from smoking cigarettes, you know, maybe, you know, you can think about that today. I know it sucks. In terms of smoking cigarettes, I'm still hawking up loogies. It's not as frequent, but they're still coming from deep within. And dude, I just feel good. It's just I'm starting to see a difference. 15 days later, and freak out moments that are more than 100. Either way, just know you a bad mofo. And enjoy yourself some nature today. Got it? Boom.